I'm Pannu from Quilling, and I'm the one who have recently shared designs on vortexes, Quilling vortexes, and vortex triangle, then vortex square, and vortex pentagon. I got a lot of comments and tips about when I please share tutorial on how I did this. So I'm putting down my camera and today I'm just sharing you what I did to make these vortexes. Believe me, since 2016 I was planning that sometime I'll do vortex, the next time I'll do vortex, but I don't know why I procrastinated and never happened. So today, finally, I'm going to share it on air in the world. So I'm just putting down my camera and I'll show you how I did it. So first, I'll be showing you triangle vortex, and maybe next time or in the next video, I'll show you square and pentagon. So let's go.
So we are going to make triangle vortex. So for that you will need a quilling strip. This is 42 centimeter in length. Okay, the length is 42 centimeter. Then you will need either a pin or a toothpick and a quilling needle. If you don't have quilling needle and you can manage rolling the strip, then you can do with your hands as well. So let's begin with this, and of course glue at the end. Okay, so what I did is first I did little bit like this. Okay, tight coil. Okay, you can see I made a tight coil, and so I have pressed all the layers over here like this. Okay, so this is a tight coil, and now I'm just pressing this tight coil. I'm just pressing this tight coil like this. Okay, it will form a I shape like this. Press it very hard. If it's not pressing and giving two ends, we should get two ends like this. Then take the help of your table. Okay, if the paper is very thick, then maybe you will not be able to do this. So take the help of any base. So you will get this shape. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on this. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, so automatically it will get its final shape of triangle. Okay, and let it unwind itself. So till now I did nothing. I just left it like this to get it unwind by itself. Okay, so once it stops, then I'll show you what to do. Okay, I think it is going to stop. So now this is the final shape of the triangle vortex. So now first seal this. Okay, before doing anything inside, first seal this. So let's see if it stops. Okay, and I'm going to seal this shape first. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is using a pin or a toothpick. Okay, I'm going to unwind it like this. I hope I'm visible. Okay, so I'm going to unwind it from the outermost part to the innermost part. So let's unwind it like this. Be very gentle, don't rush. The layers are very delicate, so just maintain that shape properly and unwind as much as possible for you. It will form the triangle shape inside automatically. Okay, so now you can see one more layer is there that is remaining to unwind. So it's very risky and delicate to do that, but I think I'll be able to do. Okay, I think I did it, and this is how the triangle vortexo forms. But I think I've enjoyed this. Okay, and if at all if you don't get this pattern, then what you're going to do this, just with your middle finger and your thumb finger, hold it in between, like the pressure should be in between, and just twist the outer layer. Okay, so you will twist this outer layer and you will get this triangle form properly. But mostly in triangle vortexes, the shapes are formed properly, like the vortex is formed properly, so there is no need of twisting in triangle vortex. Okay, so I have done with triangle vortex. I hope I was able to share that idea with you, and I hope I was able to share the exact idea with you. So do let me know in the comments. I'll be posting this video on my social media handles, so if you have any doubt, let me know. I'll be trying all other vortexes also with the tools like comb. So this I did without comb, and the results are really amazing. I liked it. Okay, so see you then, and I will update you once I post my square and pentagon vortex. Bye, see you and take care.